Step 1. Open the case. Literally unscrew 2 screws and take the side off. Step 2. Drop the CPU into the motherboard. It only fits one way, there's an arrow showing you. Step 3. Push the RAM in until it clicks. 2 sticks, 2 slots, done. Step 4. Screw the motherboard into the case. 6 screws. Step 5. Slot in the GPU. 1 click. Step 6. Connect the power supply cables. They only fit the right holes. Step 7. Plug in your SSD. 1 cable. That's it. 7 steps. No soldering. No coding. No experience needed. If you can build Lego, you can build a PC. And you just saved £200 on assembly.